Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can color grade in Clipchamp and modify the colors of your video, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a blank project open, and I have some media that I have imported, and I'll be using this video here as an example, and I can add it to the timeline either by clicking here or dragging it like that, and I'll be using this video, as I said, as an example of color grading or adjusting colors in Clipchamp. Firstly, once it's in the timeline, you need to click on it, make sure it is selected. You will see this green outline on the video itself in the preview, and it'll be outline green in the timeline as well. Now what you want to do is click on the adjust colors option here, and here you have the options to adjust the colors however you want. You can change the saturation like so. By just moving the slider, you can change the temperature from cold to hot. You can change the transparency and make it either completely transparent and invisible, or you can make it completely opaque, depends on what your wish is. You can also change the exposure, the contrast as well, and you can also use a blend mode, which currently only for me shows normal, except not. As you can see, you can choose normal, you can darken it, you can multiply it, you can lighten it, you can do a couple of different things. It all depends on your wishes, and if you don't like where you've gotten and you want to start over, you can always just click this reset button and it'll change the color grading back to its original stat. And that is basically it. Now let me just explain these. As you can see, darken for some reason completely darkens my screen. Multiply does as well. I don't know for what reason, but yeah, you can use any of these that you want, and that should pretty much be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.